We're gonna sit down because our back hurts today. Move over. Cooks, you dadgummit! Stop! Hey y'all, 2 more acrylic pours today. These are my upcycled canvases that I'm doing for my minimum wage art project. And these are bigger canvases. I don't know, they're a lot bigger than what I normally do. And so when these are dry, I will put that might be dangerous. When they're dry, I will put foam core on the back so it can be mounted. I just realized how wonky this is. Oh, look, they are finally dry. They'll get glazed today. Got a little tiny spot. That's what we did last time. Yeah, I like these. Okay. Now you should see all the tie-dye mess I got going on over here. Ugh. So, first and foremost, I got a little bit of the glue and water. I'm gonna make more of this. And the other thing too, this was the leftover paint I had from my last pour. So I just put it in here and I will use it for another pour. Because you know, don't waste. So I'm gonna mix this up here. Can you see? The way I have it set up, I got it set up backwards. Anyway, I'm gonna do a half and half of liquid glue and water and mix that up. By eyeball. We are raising it about that much. And we will raise it again. That's about right. So for these, since I'll be applying to a fall show, I want it to be the warmer colors. So I'm going to use Basics Mars Black. Basics raw sienna, Basics burnt sienna, Artist Loft Old Gold, and then SOHO titanium white. So I'm going to mix equal parts of the paint and the glue and water mixture in a cup. I don't know if I can set it where you can see. That's fun. I'm planning on using a lot of white. That's better. Okay, so there's the white. And then the black. Probably did too much black. The raw sienna. The burnt sienna. And the same, that's maybe a tablespoon and a half. Because these are not that big. I don't like waste. Okay, now what I'll do, give it a good shake up. I'm going to mix these about 50-50. Then what you want, test your color because you want it to string, but you want it to go back into the paint and not drizzle on top of the paint. If it drizzles on top of the paint, add more water. Now, we will start to layer in our cups. And again, for the sake of time, we'll speed it up. Not a lot. Let's do a little bit of canvas prep just to help it flow. Not a lot. The paper's been sealed. going to pour just some random white. When I use these paper recycled upcycled canvases, I like the newspaper to show through. I don't take it all the way to the edge if I can help it. I try to leave at least one edge so you got kind of a signature of your purpose. And now let's pour. Now let's make a mess. So you don't get the same like immediate cell with this like you do when you do a dirty pour. I don't know why. Oh! Let's leave that sit for a minute. It's a wonky piece of cardboard. And here we go. Let's start moving. Just little bits. I'm not gonna rush it. Cells are happening. I'm really just slowly it's going to pick up pace once it hits that white. Trying to find what's the best angle. I am going to buy lights one day. Sorry. Just trying to do it this way so you can watch. Just that little bit of gold adds metallic to almost every color. Ooh, I'm gonna stop there. So I still got quite a bit of newspaper here, but wow, 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 wow. It's like the satellite pass-bys of the storms in Jupiter. All of these are very how you say, celestial for me, and I'm a star child anyway, and I think that's why I love these so much, because they are, little cells are starting to happen, and the cells will pop up. Just trying to help this one along here with a little bit more support. That's part of the woes of this being recycled, but it's okay. Without the heat, the cells will form in this style. They're starting to. It takes longer. I'll need to get a butane torch. But you can see cells are starting to pop up. And there you have it. There's another style of acrylic pour. Or not yesterday. We did a dirty pour in Sunday's video, and I'll put a link so you can see that. And remember, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. I'll talk to you soon. Probably off the cap. Today, you what is this?